If you're tired of lag, stuttering, and low FPS in Fortnite, this video is just what you need. Today, I'll show you the best game user settings tweaks to boost your FPS, reduce input delay, and make your game run smoother than ever. After applying these settings, Fortnite will feel faster, more responsive, and way more enjoyable. So before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and let's jump right in. So, in the first step, press Windows +R or directly open the search bar and type %local app data %. Then hit OK. This will bring up a folder. Press the F key to quickly locate a folder or scroll until you find Fortnite game. Open it, then navigate through Saved, Config, Windows Client. Inside this directory, locate the game user settings file. Right-click it and select Properties. In the Properties window, find the Read Only checkbox under the Attributes section. If it's checked, uncheck it, then click Apply and OK to allow changes. Now open the file to begin modifications. Scroll through the settings and locate Motion Blur. Set this to False to disable unnecessary visual effects. Similarly, change Show Grass to False to remove grass textures, which helps improve performance. While some settings are self-explanatory, others may not be. For instance, if you want to track your FPS, set Show FPS to True. On the other hand, turn off GPU crash debugging by setting it to false, and do the same for stop rendering and background to ensure the game remains active at all times. Next, adjust latency tweak 1 to false and latency tweak 2 to 0. These options are tied to NVIDIA Reflex, a latency reduction technology for GeForce RTX GPUs and G-Sync monitors. It optimizes system response time by reducing input lag. Since we're using performance mode, this setting isn't available directly in-game, but you can enable it through the NVIDIA control panel for better responsiveness. Now, disable anti-aliasing by setting it to off. For temporal super resolution quality, set it to custom. You'll need to type this manually. This option relates to DLSS quality typically found in DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. However, its impact depends on your hardware. DLSS, Deep Learning Super Sampling, is an RTX exclusive feature that enhances graphics using AI but isn't beneficial for low-end GPUs. To improve performance, set DLSS to 0 and Nanite to false. Disabling these will prevent FPS drops. Next, tweak energy-saving modes by setting all values to false. Power-saving features throttle performance, which is not ideal for competitive gaming. As for display gamma, leave it at its default value to prevent unwanted FPS drops due to incorrect gamma settings. Once all changes are applied, save the file and re-enable the read-only checkbox to stop Epic Games from overriding your custom settings. The next step is to get the Fortnite Extreme Optimization Pack onto your PC. You can find a direct link to download it on my official website. Just check the description for quick access. You can verify it using any trusted virus detection tool or website. It's completely safe and free from any malware. After downloading, extract the pack to your desktop. Inside, you'll see 2 folders. Begin with the Registry Tweaks folder and install each file individually. These tweaks are specifically designed to fine-tune your system, ensuring Fortnite runs at peak performance. Once you've installed the Registry tweaks, return to the main folder and open the Fortnite Priority folder. These registry adjustments help optimize how your CPU allocates resources to Fortnite. If you have a low-end PC, apply the normal priority file. For mid-range systems, go with the medium priority option, and if you're on a high-end setup, use the high priority file to get the most out of your hardware. Choosing the right file based on your system specifications ensures the best possible performance. Now, guys, download and install the Unpark application. This software is designed to enhance your CPU's performance for gaming. After installation, you might need to right-click on the application and choose Run as Administrator to grant it full access. Upon launching the application, you'll see whether your CPU cores are parked or active. Parked cores remain underutilized, which can lower performance, particularly during gaming or resource-intensive tasks. To resolve this, simply click the Unpark button in the application. This will activate all CPU cores, boosting system performance and minimizing input lag. After applying this tweak, your PC will be better optimized for a smoother and more responsive gaming experience. Now, Optimize your keyboard input using the Filter Key Setter tool to reduce delay and enhance responsiveness for a better gaming experience. First, right-click the application and select Run as Administrator. Then confirm any prompts to allow system changes. Once the program launches, navigate to the Settings tab. Start by adjusting the following values: set Ignore Under to 0, change Repeat, delay to 250 ms, and modify repeat rate to 25 ms. After these adjustments, locate the flag section and activate it by checking the box labeled On. Next, go to the Available Turn On section. Enable Use Shortcut, but make sure to uncheck Confirm Activation. Also, disable Activation Sound, Show Status, and Key Click to eliminate unnecessary distractions. Once done, find the When Applied option and set it to Save to Registry to ensure your configurations remain permanent. Finally, click OK to apply the changes. With these settings and optimizations in place, your keyboard input will be faster, more precise, and perfectly tuned for competitive gameplay. To get started with GEARUPBOOSTER, download the tool from the official website using the link after downloading. Install it on your PC. Once installed, you'll see the GEARUPBOOSTER interface. The first thing you'll need to do is log in with your Facebook or Google account. On the Home tab, you'll find all the games installed on your PC. If you go to the Games tab, you can browse thousands of games available for optimization. To optimize your network and FPS, return to the Home tab and select the game you want to boost. For example, I'll select Fortnite. Click the Boost button, and the tool will begin optimizing the game. It will automatically find the best server for you. Next, you'll need to choose your server region. Select the nearest server for the best connection. In my case, the middle server works best. After selecting the server, close the window. Now go to the Not tab where you'll see a list of servers available in the Middle East. Choose the nearest one or let GearUp automatically pick the best server for you. I recommend setting it to Automatic for the best results. Finally, close the window and launch your game using GEARUPBOOSTER. This will help you optimize. Next, we're going to optimize virtual memory to improve system stability and gaming performance. By manually setting the paging file size, we can ensure a smoother experience and reduce performance drops. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing Adjust, and selecting Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. When the Performance Options window appears, switch to the Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, click the Change button. You'll notice an option labeled Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Uncheck this so we can manually configure the settings. Now select your local disk, where the virtual memory will be allocated. In the Custom Size fields, set the initial size to 1361 MB, a stable value for system performance. Next, determine the maximum size based on your RAM capacity. To do this, open the calculator and multiply your total RAM by 1024 to convert it into megabytes. For example, if you have 16 GB of RAM, multiply 16 with 1024, which equals 16,384 MB. Now, divide this number by 2 and enter the result in the maximum size field. Once you've entered the correct values, click Set, then OK to apply the changes. Virtual memory acts as backup memory when your RAM is fully used, preventing slowdowns and ensuring games run more efficiently without lag or frame drops. To enhance Fortnite gaming performance by optimizing CPU and GPU resource allocation, you can tweak specific registry settings in Windows. Start by opening the Windows search bar, typing Registry Editor, and when it appears, right-click it and choose Run as Administrator to grant the necessary permissions. Once inside the Registry Editor, copy the command provided in the description, paste it into the editor's address bar, and press Enter. This will take you directly to the necessary settings. Now, locate Affinity, double-click it, set the value data to F, ensure the base is set to hexadecimal, and click OK to save. Next, find Background Only, change its value to False, and apply the update. Then, navigate to GPU Priority, adjust its value data to E, ensure the base remains hexadecimal, and confirm the change. Next, locate Priority, set its value data to 6, and save it. Finally, modify both Scheduling Category and FSIO Priority by setting their values to High, making sure to apply each change before closing the Registry Editor. With these optimizations applied, Windows will allocate system resources more efficiently ensuring smoother gameplay, reduced input lag, and improved overall responsiveness. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this guide useful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more optimization tips. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay sharp and game on.